This course was really nice. It was really helpful. It was really intense and stressful, however, but in the same time, we learned a lot of things. The most things that we actually learned about was real life option and optimization. Those two was the most important things, which were really really helpful in our careers further on in life. It was 3 days intense, but however we really enjoyed it. It flied by. I recommend any engineer or finance department student that wants to have a decision-making exposure to have this course, because it is really helpful and it would push them forward in their careers.
Yeah, I'd recommend it to anyone that's trying to go through this path. I think it'll help me quite a lot in the future.